Yeah, g'day folks. Terrible weather outside, cold and wet. So catching up with a bit of stuff. So in the meantime, I bought this off of eBay, $22, a orange air compressor. I mean, as good as the humble air hand pump is, I do find it a bit tiring at times now. So we'll give this a go later and put up a review on it. And check out that. That is the instructions how to use this thing. Very extensive. Alright, stay tuned for an in-depth analysis of this budget compressor. Now I know they're around. Plenty of people have got them. But let's see how good they are.